Hi. Okay. This video. Get on this side actually. The light's better from here. That's better. So I can't see my face, but oh well. Look. Okay. Today we're in a property that we've had since when we get.
It's been 5 years, I think now.
It's been 5 years. So let's say 2021 that we purchased this property. It's a detached. It's quite a large property. We'll show you around in a little while. But before we do, I'll explain what we're like kind of talking about in this video.
Feel very emotional today, actually.
Well, yeah.
Well,
she's feeling
upset.
more. Yeah. Like when you have a property, a lot of the times people do generally get emotional with or get emotionally attached to a property, which can be considered as bad for business because you're trying to make logical decisions. But we try to step away from that. But anyway, we're kind of sad to leave it because it was an exciting moment to get this property. This is a batch of 4 that we bought. That was a really good investment, basically. So we're selling now. So this house, we've had it for 5 years. So what we did was we taken out all the carpets down here, the old ones, and we put there's laminate flooring, isn't it? There's laminate flooring upstairs here that was already there. So we just put fresh new carpet to put it on for sale. So we're selling it basically. So that's throughout. Built that all done.
A lick of paint as well on the walls.
Yeah, we painted the walls as well, so they're all fresh. The bathroom was not too bad as it is. Done a few things here. Tiling was done during the tenancy actually, so we just kind of finished it up and made it look a little bit better. Basically a cosmetic refurb. It's just a refurbishment. Those of you who don't know, refurbishment is basically doing cosmetic works, and then renovation is doing like structural works and stuff like that. So this is the master bedroom. It's actually quite large. I think it's like 4 meters by 4 meters. Now, if you measure your current house, that's quite a large room. Let's go downstairs. The bathroom I showed you already. Let's go down. You go first. Stairs are quite large. A lot of people like the stairs. Like it's quite wide. Look, I'll show you. There you go. This is going to be quite a raw footage. We're not really going to edit this video. Kind of going to keep it like true to what we experienced and what we're talking about.
Just collecting a few bits and bobs as well.
Yeah, so we kept a few things. This is just like if you want to maintain it while it's going on. Well, basically when we have tenancy here going. So yeah, when there was a tenancy going on, we kept a ladder here for any kind of repairs that any tradesman had to do work in it. Taking a few things in the bag there that we've left here. So here's the front room. And got a few videos in here. Looks similar, but we did change the carpet in this room on its own. We kind of sorted out the fireplace thing down there. What else is there? We changed the floor. So it originally had laminate, but we put LVT so we can combine it with the dining room over here. So it just made it a better kind of theme that rolled through and flowed through to this room. You can have a look. Sorry, my camera's really wonky. I haven't got my gimbal today. But look, see the garden. I'm not sure if you remember, we've probably got a few clips there. There was an apple tree there. I don't know, one of the tenants decided to take that down for us. But anyway, it didn't change too much in the garden. The garden's still the same size as it is.
Yeah, it is.
And take them through the kitchen.
The kitchen is as it was.
Bit louder.
The kitchen is as it is.
Yeah.
We didn't really do much here, actually.
There's a lot of landlords selling up. There's multiple reasons. A lot of the main reasons are, tax and whatnot. So if you're making an earning from rental income, then there's other things to think about. It's not just about putting your money in property. You see that? So if you want to follow us to see how the sale goes through.
So if you want to follow us to see how this sale goes through, then make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe.
Yeah.